This is the USB lapel microphone unboxing. And so you get the USB lavalier microphone. Here's the user manual. And the microphone uses a USB plug and play lavalier mic. It has a built-in sound card. It is also great at noise cancellation. It has a long enough cable of 2 meters, 6.56 feet. The device also has a headphone port. Here you can see how the clip holds tight. This is a great budget microphone, under $20. Here I'm just taking the wind muffs off. Next I'm going to do a comparison of my Blue Yeti that I use for my voiceover and the USB lapel microphone. Okay, so this is the Blue Yeti. I'm about 3 inches away from the mic, and so I'm gonna whisper, and then I'm gonna talk really loud. I'm gonna move my head so you can see the omnidirectional, and you can do a comparison with the lavalier lapel microphone. Okay, so now I'm using the lavalier lapel microphone, and so it's 3 inches away from my mouth. I have it connected to my shirt, and so I'm just gonna do a quick whisper, and I'm gonna talk really loud, and so you can hear the difference. Can't really do the omnidirectional. This microphone doesn't really have that option, especially when connected to your shirt. So you can do a quick comparison of the two microphones.